Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Allied School YouTube channel. This video is for prep class. By the end of this video, students will be able to recognize the pictures and tell their names, recognize the beginning sound of the pictures or objects, match the pictures with their beginning sounds. Dear students, are you ready? Very good. Let's start our lesson. Listen to the lesson carefully, okay? Okay, this is the page 9 of your English book. Now name the pictures. What is this? It has two legs and one tail and long hair. What is this? This is a loin. What is this? This is a loin. This is a loin. And what is this? It lives in water. Yeah, you know very well it. It is a fish. Yes, fish swims in the water. Fish swims in the water. What is this? This is a loin. And what is this? It is a fish. And what is this? It is a goat. Yes, a goat has four legs. Okay. And we sacrifice goats in Eid ul Azha, Bakr Eid. Yes, we eat meat of the goat. Goat gives us milk. Okay. Now repeat all names of these pictures. Lion, fish, goat. Lion, fish, goat. Now comes to next. Oh, what is this? Oh, in Aftar you drink juices. Ruh Afza, tank, Jame Shiri. And your mother pours all types of juices into the jug. Yes, this is a jug. Very nice. This is a jug. What is this? It is a jug. And what is this? You know well. You write with it. Yes, it is a pencil. What is this? It is a pencil. What is this? It has two eyes. You can look it in the sky at night. Yes. What is this? Can you name it? Very good. It is a moon. Yes, it is a moon. You can see the moon at night in the sky. Yes, this is a moon. Now repeat all names of these pictures. Jug, pencil, moon. And what is this? Can you name it? It is a tortoise. Yes, have you heard the story? A rabbit and tortoise? It is called a tortoise. What is this? It is a tortoise. And what is this? You can see it sometimes in your shirts, t-shirts, okay? Yes, what is this? It is a zip. What is this? It is a zip. Now repeat all names of these pictures. Tortoise, zip. Tortoise, zip. Now what will you do in this question? First we read the question. Listen to their beginning sounds. Repeat. Listen to their beginning sounds. Listen to their beginning sounds. Okay, every picture or every word has a beginning sound. Beginning sound. Okay. First tell me what is this? Tell me what this is. A line. And the beginning sound of the line is L. Line. Line. L is the beginning sound of the line. The sound of L. Line. Repeat after me. Line. L is the beginning sound of the line. This is L. Line. Repeat after me. Line. L is the beginning sound of the line. Now comes to next picture. What is this? It is a fish. Yes. Fish. Say fish. is the beginning sound of the fish. Is the beginning sound of the fish. 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 Yes, this is. What is this? Is the beginning sound of the fish. Now comes to next picture. What is this? It is a goat. G. Goat. Yes, g is the beginning sound of goat. G. Goat. Repeat after me. Goat. 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 Yes, this is g sound. Goat. Repeat after me. Goat. Now comes to next picture. It is a jug. Jug. Repeat after me. Jug. Jug. J is the beginning sound of the jug. Jug. Repeat after me. Jug. This is J sound. Jug. What is this? J. Now comes to next picture. Pencil. What is this? Pencil. You know, pencil has a beginning sound P. Pencil. Repeat after me. Pencil. Pencil. Yes, this is P sound. Pencil. Repeat after me. Pencil. Now comes to next picture. Moon. Yes. Moon. Moon. What is the beginning sound of the moon? Sometimes you feel difficult to say it. Try to say it. Moon. 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 What is the beginning sound of the moon? Yeah, this is sound. Okay. Moon. And what is this? It is a tortoise. Tortoise starts with T sound. T tortoise. Repeat after me. T tortoise. Repeat after me. T tortoise. This is T sound. The last picture. What is this? Zip. Zip is begins with Z sound. Z zip. Repeat after me. Z zip. Z zip. Z is the beginning sound of the zip. And what is Z? Yeah, this is Z sound. This is Z. Z. Z zip. Repeat after me. Z zip. Now you have to match them to their correct beginning sounds. Okay. Match all these pictures. What have you learned before? Match all these pictures to their beginning sounds. First, you have to say all these beginning sounds. Repeat after me. L, G, M, J, Z, T, P. Again repeat. L, G, M, J, Z, T, P. Okay. Now match. Fish. Fish. Okay. Now match. Like this. For fish. Repeat after me. For fish. For fish. Okay. This is a loin. Loin. Repeat after me. Loin. Now match again. Yeah, this is ill sound. Loin. Repeat after me. Loin. And what is this? It is a goat. G sound. Goat. Beginning sound of the goat is G. And where is G? Hurry up, find it. Where is the G sound? Yeah, this is a G sound. Match. Okay. Now what is this? It is a jug. Very simple. Jug begins with J sound. And where is J sound? Find. This is no. This is yes. J sound. Now match. Okay, j sound. And what is this? Zip. Zip begins with z sound. Okay, and where is z sound? Yeah, this is z sound. Match. Hurry up. Okay. Now what is this? It is a moon. Moon begins with m sound. Yes. Where is m? Where is m? Yeah, this is moon. Okay. Pencil. Where is p sound? This is okay. Match. And where is t sound? This is t sound. And where is tortoise? Yes, tortoise. Tortoise begins with t sound. Match. Yes, you have completed your activity. Okay, now you have to do this activity at page number 9 in your book. Okay, now I want to talk to now I want to talk to your parents. Okay, guidelines for parents. Make sure that the child recognize all the pictures with their names. इस बात को आपने यकीनी बनाना है कि जो बच्चा है ना वो हर पिक्चर को तमाम पिक्चर्स को पहचान सके और उनके नाम के साथ उनको पहचान सके. आप पिक्चर्स पे फिंगर रख सकते हैं, उनसे उनके नाम पूछ सकते हैं इंग्लिश में, उर्दू में नहीं, इंग्लिश में वो बताएंगे. He or she is able to tell the beginning sound of the pictures. फिर उनको आपने इस काबिल बनाना है, मैंने जैसे प्रैक्टिस करवाई है, आप इसको देख सकते हैं अच्छी तरह से. आप भी उनसे बिगनिंग साउंड को कहलवाइए, उगलवाइए कि इस पिक्चर का बिगनिंग साउंड क्या है, किस बिगनिंग साउंड से वो पिक्चर का नेम स्टार्ट होता है. आपने उनसे पूछना है इसको. ठीक है. नंबर 3, आस्क द चाइल्ड टू कंप्लीट द पेज नंबर 9. जब ये दोनों काम हो जाए उसके बाद आप पेज नंबर 9 बच्चों से करवाइए. Thanks for watching this video. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.